Welcome back, everyone, and thank you for joining me today. We have an interesting story that's been making headlines in the world of entertainment, and it involves Kim Kardashian, Kris Jenner, and Kylie Jenner's ex, Travis Scott. Their reunion has sparked a lot of conversation, and many fans are wondering what really brought them back together. Let's dive into the details. Recently, Kim Kardashian hosted one of her most important events, the launch of the highly anticipated Nike x SKIMS collaboration in New York City. This event was more than just a fashion celebration. It was a major milestone for Kim's business empire. Naturally, the Kardashian-Jenner family came together to support her, and Kris Jenner, as the family's matriarch and business powerhouse, was right there at her side. But what surprised many was the presence of Travis Scott, Kylie Jenner's former partner, and the father of her two children, Stormi and Aire. Fans immediately began asking why Travis was there and how this reunion came about. The answer lies in a combination of family ties, business connections, and a sense of unity that the Kardashian-Jenner family often emphasizes. While Kylie and Travis ended their on-and-off romantic relationship some time ago, they remain connected through their children. For the family, maintaining a positive relationship with Travis is not only healthy for co-parenting but also shows a united front in the public eye. Travis arrived at the event solo, but he didn't shy away from joining Kim and Kris for photos and interactions during the night. The reunion appeared cordial, professional, and even supportive. Some sources suggest that this was less about personal relationships and more about business and image. After all, Kim SKIMS has become a global brand, and aligning with someone as influential in music and culture as Travis only strengthens the event's impact. But beyond the business side, there's also a message of maturity and evolution. Breakups in the public eye can often lead to permanent divides, but in this case, the Kardashians seem to be showing that family bonds and respect can go further than past differences. Travis being present at such a big family milestone reinforces the idea that he remains connected to the family, not just through his children, but also through a sense of mutual support. The night was full of star-studded guests, but the highlight for many observers was seeing how naturally Travis blended in with Kim and Kris. It wasn't awkward, it wasn't forced, it looked like a family moment where everyone understood the bigger picture. So, whether this reunion was primarily for the children, for business, or simply out of respect for one another, it sends a strong message that the Kardashian-Jenner circle knows how to turn even personal history into an opportunity for growth, connection, and unity. What are your thoughts on Kim and Kris reuniting with Travis Scott at such a big event? Do you think it was purely business, or is there more to the story? Let me know your opinions in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this story with your friends. Your support means the world and helps us bring you more updates from the world of entertainment.